Oh my people. Power tap on your screen.
What's the meaning of this?
Okay.
Yeah, you're a married woman for crying out loud.
Sorry, an intro. I'll be right back. What's the meaning of this? Can't you see I'm alive? Why are you making noise? You want them to know that I have mad person in this house. What's your problem?
Wait, is this what a married woman should be doing with her time?
And what is wrong with a married woman going live?
Going live on Facebook and Instagram, showing your ass, making faces. Follow my followers. Power tap. What do you intend to get in all of this?
Money.
Admirers. Toasters. Really?
You don't know how much they are cashing out in this life. I want to be making my own money so that you will not call me liability. This is the easiest way to make money online. If they power tap and send me gifts now, do you know how much I will make? Please don't disturb me. I want to be buying all those big hair, those 2 million naira hair. I'll be wearing big shoes and carrying big bags. Your hair disturbing my life. So like this, I'm looking at you like it. So there is nothing wrong with it. I am only trying to build myself and be a content creator.
You lie. Are you my wife cannot be a content creator. Impossible. If you must create something online, why not go into a business, start up a business that if you must go live on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, you showcase your products. You showcase your business. Not this nonsense you're doing.
It's very obvious, Ito Ferrucci, like you are an overgrown baby. This thing that I'm doing now, do you know how much I'll be earning? With this, I can even buy with one of all these 2 million, with one 300 million, all these things, I'll be looking good. You're here telling me, I don't want to be begging you money. So you will not call me a liability that every day I'm begging you money. Now I'm trying to make money. You say content creator is not business. So if a married woman goes to go to Instagram or want to become a content creator, the person is a bad person. The person is doing nonsense.
Listen to me. I don't want to see you doing all this nonsense around my house. Be warned. I don't want to see you carrying your phone around making videos. I'll smash your phone. I will smash your phone if I see you doing any of that. Trust me.
She's not here to suffer. She's not here to walk at all. She's here.
I don't want to see you doing any of this. On the boot, so not the buga for here. See this life, I don't want. I go make money here. No get sense. Now why you don't know where they talk? Think I talk to my people. Oh my people, please sorry for the interruption.
Yes, please, you can come in now. Sorry. Yes, come in.
It's a lot of money one day.
Sometimes it even gets more. You know, I've decided to use police to take my keke from these thieves. Some of them are thieves, and I can't go around town chasing them.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
It has indeed blessed you.
Thank you so much. Oga?
Ma?
Are you sure you are ready to do this business?
Yes, madam. By God's grace, I am really ready to do this business.
God's grace is sufficient for all of us. So it's left for you to decide within yourself that you want to do it. God cannot come down to do for you what you can do for yourself. And He's not going to force you to do what you do not want to do either.
Madam, I promise you, I will do my best. I will deliver.
Well, because of Mary, I'm not going to go through due process. But you have to sign an agreement for me while she signs as your shorty. Then you can have the baby.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We will not disappoint you.
But that does not mean I will not take the necessary measures if you violate our agreement. I don't add sentiment to my business.
I'll make sure it doesn't get to that.
Nothing like that.
So you have to sign it.
Actually, I would have collected this Dikeh a long time ago.
Yeah, no problem. This is let's enjoy it.
You can't be serious right now. You're joking, right? What are you talking about? My hard-earned money! You know what? I'm no longer interested in this deal, okay? How can I get my money back? I'm done! What do you mean I can't get my money back? I want my content money back! I want it back! Listen, I'm giving you today. Hello? Hello? Oh, Jesus. Jesus, baby, put on the AC. Put on the AC, it's hot in here.
The AC is on. What is it? Just to me.
My hard-earned money. All my money gone, just like that.
Your money cannot go like that.
Yes.
It's your sweat. Your hard-earned money for decades.
My money cannot go just like that. It can't go. What is it talking about? Yeah? What is it talking about? You can't say that to me. What is it talking about?
What's up? You should be getting ready to go to bed with your wife. What? Are you sure about this? Look. Hey, what are you saying? Felix, what are you saying? No!
What do we do now? God.
Felix. Alright, so come. Take a look. It's all over the news.
My God, I'm finished. I'm doomed. After investing all my money in.
Look, we can't be sitting here, right? We have to move to Abuja right now. We have to take the next available flight to Abuja right now.
I just got off the phone with the minister. He said he wants to be away from everyone, everything. From friends, from the press.
Look, I don't care. Right? What's he saying about our money?
What else is he saying? He's saying he has been booked for a meeting with His Excellency next month.
This is bullshit. You can't tell me that. This is absolutely nonsense. I can't take this because I invested all my resources in this contract. I can lose my money. No!
You're going out this morning?
Yes, I'm going to come to see some of my friends.
Thank God. What's your plans for us today? I mean, what we are going to eat? Because, see, baby, I'm tired of eating gari, eba, soup, watery soup that does not have anything inside. No fish, no meat, no periwinkle, no nothing. I'm not going to chop them again. I don't tire, beg.
Are you serious right now? You're tired of eating eba?
Honestly, I'm tired of eating eba. Every day, eba. Very soon, when I'll be walking on the road, I'll be walking like eba. I'm tired.
Do you know what I have to pass through just to provide for you? Do you know that sometimes I go out of my way to borrow money just to take care of you? What kind of a person are you? Do you want me to kill myself for you?
Wait, I don't understand. How is that my business? When you came to my parents' house to marry me, did you marry me to come and suffer me? No, did you marry me to come and shrink me? Me, oh man, me, on this like a dry fish or guazo. Is that what you want to do? I don't understand. When you came to marry me, was I not bubbling? Everywhere, full. Now see everything. No, again. Everything don't finish. What are you telling me? What's my business? If you like be passing through a lot, are you bigger than Job? When Job was passing through, waiting concern his wife. I bet no they tell me that I beg you, waiting we go chop. They tell me what you're passing through. You're supposed to do your work as the man. So stop telling me what you're going through. Please. If you don't have money, go and buy bread and tea. Yes, because I'm not eating that garlic today.
I don't have money.
You're not buying anything, you don't have money. If you don't want to, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Did you even ask yourself the reason I had to live this early? You didn't ask yourself that.
What's my business?
You didn't consider that. I am leaving our house this early to town because I don't have money to pay any people that is going to take me to town. I want to trek, and that's why I'm leaving this early. Yes!
Which one is yes? Now what's my problem? See, bro bego. Guy, bro begi. If you like trek from here to Jericho, to Chakafanchan, to China, it's not my business. It's none of my business. All I know is that you must take care of me as your wife. All the things that wife used to enjoy, housewife, that is the thing I need to be enjoying.
Your worst.
Hey, let it be.
Take this one and give me Jezebel.
Look at this one. Don't rest, nothing there inside, nothing there, nothing to show for it. Look at him. When they say woke will come out, they will think that it's woke. There is no woke in you. You're just done without no sex, no money, no nothing. Onyala come. See, when you come back and you meet me, I must deal with you in this house. Onyala, stupid thing. Stupid woke idiot. One bitch. Come back to this house, you will meet me. So that will fire you. Onyala.
Mary, Mother of God, where are you? Hey.
I've told you to stop calling me Mother of God. There's only one woman that's qualified for that name. And that's our Mother Mary.
I agree. Noted. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Oh, thank God for everything. Please take this plates and please, I want you to prepare me that your special goat meat pepper soup. That's what I want to have with that this evening, please.
Okay, no problem. Today is spinning day. I hope you have the money ready.
That one is not a problem now. I have almost the entire amount. It's just 5k. So don't worry about that one. I'll soon teach you. You trust me now?
Okay, man. I think so.
I know. Mary Magdalene. Hey!
Stop,
Hey! Oh, wow. Thank God. I wish I knew I would have even started this keke business long time ago. I was there waiting for white collar job. See me now, I can eat anything I like. Chicken, anything, entire.
Any luck yet?
Nope.
As well. You don't have to worry yourself too much. All hope is not lost yet.
Yeah. So it seems.
True. So what's the next plan?
I just have this final step I want to take. Although I'm skeptical about it because this contact I have not reached out to for years. I hope it works out.
It's well. I know that God will not forsake us, even though your friends have abandoned you and most of them not taking your calls anymore. I just want you to keep faith in God alive. He never leaves his own. Let me get you something to eat now.
No, don't worry. The dudes are outside waiting for me. When I come back, I'll eat. Alright? Well, can I borrow your car?
What about yours?
I'm low in fuel. I can't move around with the reserve, you know. Sorry to distress you.
Sure, this will fill your tank and then some change left.
Wow. That's a lot. Thank you, my love. I'll see you when I come back.
They're gonna have some money to spare to do that.
Money, man.
Yeah.
I do, man.
Are you serious right now?
Of course I'm serious.
Man, this is just a miracle.
Of course.
Do you know, I was actually thinking of how to deal with my wife today if I come home without money.
Think no more. Thanks to my darling wife. You know, she had a lot to spare.
Nchedo, sister, miss me.
My wife has been the one running the house ever since the Obi incident happened. She's never asked me for a dime.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
In my own case, it's different. My wife asked me for money for almost everything. Salt, maggi, sachet water, and name them.
That's too bad.
Very bad.
You know, looking back to the days I used to ask my wife to quit whatever she was doing and stay at home. I'm glad she didn't listen to me. Yeah, because she's actually the one we're feeding on these days.
You're very lucky. You are lucky, my brother.
Yes, I am. I am actually very lucky. Come, let me drop you off, bro. Let's go, so I'll drop you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Take a look.
Hey, thank God. This is a lifesaver. Hey, baby, I'm not eating food today. Oh, I'm not eating. I'm very, very hungry as you see me like this. I'm so hungry since morning. No food. This one you're sitting like this looking at me. I know you've gone to eat now. No, you've gone to enjoy. You've enjoyed finish. You came back now. You're doing my belly. So they'll be pitying you. I'm not going to pity you. I know all your scam now. The way they scam me, you go chop finish, come clean mouth.
Okay, you know, you never cease to amaze me. Yes. Your husband left this house with no money and coming back with all this. You didn't care to ask how my day went. Where did I get money to buy all this? You're here to accuse me of eating outside. Are you serious?
Of course, because I know it's true. You've gone outside to enjoy.
Did you keep any food outside there for me to eat? Did you?
If you deny it, no problem. I said I was going to ask you, but I am hungry. I need to eat food first. I have to eat and know that I have food in my belly to have strength to ask another person. Have you eaten? How did your day go? Did your day go well? Did you even know if my day went well? I'm hungry, I beg.
You know what, Ruki, I've been thinking lately. I've been thinking seriously. I need to talk to you.
Talk to me.
Yes.
Now?
Not now. I'm famished. I'm hungry. Please make me something to eat. I'm very hungry. Please.
Anybody that listens to you now would think you stocked up the store with a lot of food. Which one is your hunger? She can make you something. Make you what? What do you want? Make I cut my breast give you. Make I cut my, I shave my armpit give you to chop. What did I go make for you? Ha!
Eba.
I've eaten the last soup. And all the remaining garri, I don't chop.
But I heard you say you've not had anything since morning.
Now that one number do me now. I use to hold my belly first. You won't make hey, you're a very wicked man. You're a very wicked man. So you expected me to stay hungry all day without eating anything. Ha! Yeah, I've eaten it though. There's not, except I'll do small yam. There's one small yam there.
Oh, there is yam.
Yes.
I can manage that one with oil, pepper, onions and so on. Please just make me something to eat. I am very hungry, okay? Please.
You're very, very funny. Honestly. See the way I want yam, I want this, I want that, I want that. No, you want Chinese as well. You don't want China, but you don't want frog.
Okay, I am not ready to fight.
Please, I cannot do all those things. I will just make yam for you. You'll be eating it like that. If it's not good for you, you leave it. Please don't stress my life. I've not even eaten.
Oh, we're home. I don't have the strength to fight, so just make me something to eat, please.
I'll make yam for you so that you eat it. Why am I sleeping? It's midnight already.
I've been thinking a lot. I can't sleep. Can we talk, please?
Why can't you wait? Can't you wait till tomorrow?
No. Let's talk now, please. You know, a lot has been going on lately. We barely feed. And I am tired of asking people for an assistance, seeking for pity. It's high time we do something about it.
But I thought you said the minister was going to speak to the president on your behalf. So why are you bothered?
If you're conversant with the happening in the country, you know that Minister Saidu is in EFCC custody. Yes.
Meaning there is no hope?
There is hope. I'm looking at, I'm starting a small scale business that requires money. It's going to require a little amount of money.
How do we get the money? When our properties and it's being held by the bank. So where are we going to raise money from?
But you have some expensive jewelries. Just loan them to me. Maybe later, if things starts, going well, I'll replace them.
I think you should go and borrow money. At least look for friends, people that are close to you that you can borrow money from.
No, I have a lot already on my head.
What about loan?
That's what I'm saying. I have a lot going on now. Like, I have a lot of loads on my shoulder. Getting a loan now will wear me down. I don't know. Do you have anyone who can give us money without interest?
I don't have one.
So what about the jewelries? Let me sell them, make small money and start up the business. It's for the both of us. Yeah.
Good night.
I said I'll get them back for you.
Hello? Rose. Yes, can you hear me? Please wake up. I can't sleep. Rosie, I need to discuss something very important with you. No, not over the phone. Please, do me a favor. I want you to come over tomorrow. Yes, please come over tomorrow. It's really important. I can't even sleep. Alright, so tomorrow. Okay. Rose, please hold on. Please, when coming, help me package food. Yes. Cooked one. Anyone, please. Okay, thank you.
Darling, it's about the conversation we had last night. Have you given it a thought?
No, because I don't intend to do it.
I don't understand why.
Yes, I didn't bother myself because it's senseless to me. It doesn't make any sense.
Watch your mother. What?
What will you do? Sometimes I used to ask myself some questions. Like, do you have home training at all? As a girl of mine, how can you ask me to sell my jewelries and give you the money to start up business? What's the guarantee? Tell me, what is the guarantee that you will make back that money and then you will buy me that jewelry? Have you forgotten? No, you've forgotten so fast. How I'll be pleading and begging you. Please, baby, buy me these jewelries. Buy me this, buy me that. You will insult me and you will call me all sorts of names. Telling me, hey, you're materialistic. You like material things. This and that, blah, 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 blah. Now, what is happening? The same thing you're shouting at me at is the same thing you want me to go and sell and give you the money. Rubbish.
You know, Rookie, listening to you now got me thinking. Have you sat down for once to ponder what you have contributed in this marriage? No. Have you asked yourself, what have I done? What in any way have I helped in this marriage? No. Look around. Point out one thing, one single thing that you can boldly hit your chest and say, this is my input in this marriage. Nothing. You have contributed absolutely nothing. You've not contributed mentally, psychologically, emotionally, financially in this marriage. No! All you do is take and take from me.
Look at you. No, take a look at you. I was doing so well. So well before you came and married me. Did I force you or did I beg you?
Oh, my dear. Tell me that important thing you've done for yourself before I married you. Nothing! Liar! You lied to me all along. You told me you were working an oil processing firm. Lie! You told me you were a graduate. Lie! I decided to keep calm and lie low.
Now lie, no keep saying. You don't lie or you haven't lied before in your life. No, I'm asking you now.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
It's you that should be ashamed of.
Shameless!
It's you that is shameless. It's you that is shameless. Stupid
My
thing.
sister warned me. My sister warned me, but I didn't listen to her. You're a Jezebel. Worse than a Jezebel.
So wait. You're comparing me, Rookie, to that your miserable sister. Good for nothing Olosho couple.
Hey, watch your mouth.
It's who you're comparing me.
Watch your mouth. My sister is based abroad, working as a certified nurse, earning good salary and taking care of her child. What do you do? What do you do? Nothing.
When an Olosho changes location or state, that person becomes chassis. Please, don't compare me to that your stupid sister that does nothing but doing prostitution without her.
Come on, you don't shut up. Are you stupid?
Oh, you have grown. Mba, he told to lay your filthy hands on me. Try it, Maya! If you try it again, I swear to God you will regret it. You should be ashamed of yourself. Yes! Your mates are there providing for their wife. What do you do?
Watch your mouth.
What do you do?
Watch your mouth.
You are here shouting.
I don't want to bounce with you. Watch your mouth.
Stupid thing. Look at this thing. Interferuche, you're just too tall for nothing. A stupid man. Try and touch me again. You're comparing me with that your stupid Olosho sister. Hey! You will see. You will see. Hey!
Baby. So what are we having for lunch? I'm hungry.
I think we should go out and eat. Yes.
Go out and eat? No. We have something in the fridge. Ella made stew, soup, and they're all in the fridge. You can only, heat them up and enjoy yourselves. I like homemade food.
Homemade food. But that's not what I want to eat. I want to eat out.
Oh, you want to eat out? That shouldn't be a problem, all right? I can go to the kitchen, fix something for myself, and order food for you.
Right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, if that's okay by you, then it's fine. Let me order.
Okay, where do you want to order from?
Don't worry. I will order from Casey's chef. He's a very good chef.
Really?
Yes, so very good.
I'll have a spoon from it. Okay, let me go to the kitchen, alright?
Okay, baby.
I'll be right back.
Alright. So, baby, do you want gizzard? Do you want chicken? Baby, look at this.
What is that?
The bracelets and the handbag.
Is this a diamond chain?
Bracelets? Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful. How much is it? Ella, you know, no one is asking you to leave. All you need to do is respect my woman. She's my fiancée.
Brother, anything you're saying right now, my things are already in the car. I want to go. I can never accept her as my sister-in-law. Never.
But I thought you guys are friends. Yeah?
Baby, it's okay. If she wants to leave, let her go.
You are right. I want to go, I insist.
She's not a baby, just let her go.
Okay, do you have any money on you?
Yes, I do. I have.
Oh, okay, alright, I'll call you. She's my sister.
She has every right to do whatever she wants to do. I know she will come around.
But she's still my baby girl.
I know, but you can't force her to accept me, to be your wife. She's my friend, so what do you expect? I know with time she will come around, so relax your mind. Meanwhile, let me continue showing you the handbag and the everything.
So how much is this one? Who is there? Who sent you?
Hello, sis.
Hey, Rose. Rose, what am I going to do without you? Thank you so much. Yes, they just delivered the food. That's what I'm eating. Do you know I've not had Indomie in a very long time? Yes, now. It's not only gari but I'm eating in this house.
Okay, so how is your husband?
He's downstairs. Don't mind him, he's downstairs. Yeah, that was why I was waiting for you to come. But I understand you're going to work, Abby. No problem. He's telling me that I should sell my jewelries and give him all the money so that he will use a gun and start business. What do you think?
No, now. Sis, don't be naive. The good thing is that you have not even have a child for him yet. So just use your sense and watch where all this is going to.
I told him the same thing, no. As if you're reading my mind, though. You see why you're my sister? How can this stupid Efule say I should sell all my jewelries and give him the money? For what? Right? I should not do it. I trust you. I trust you. I will not try it. Some that will fire him. I am tired. You see this food now, if I eat more, I will keep the rest. So that when he's sleeping at night, I will finish up the remaining. But Rose, please do and come. Yes. When you're coming back, just come. I want to talk to you. So I will plan it very well. Okay, my love. Thank you. Make I just enjoy hunger. When you come. Oh? Hey, see Indomie. When was the last time I had Indomie?
You should go back to sleep, you know.
Oh, no.
You slept really late last night.
No, not to worry. I'm up already. I'm good. I'm fine like this. I don't need to go back to bed.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Meanwhile, how are you?
Well, who wouldn't be fine waking up to an amazing and handsome man like you?
Oh, please. You joke a lot. You joke with everything. Oh.
So, last night I overheard you talking to your accountant. What was it about?
Oh, yes. We're actually talking about how to come back, start all over again, no matter how small, try other things. I was actually thinking about starting up this Uber business. Yeah, get a few cars, about 3. All I need to do is insurance and the trackers. Yeah, I've never thought of that aspect of transportation business.
So, how much are we looking at? Because
Oh yeah,
sounds
that's
cool.
that's actually the problem. Money is the problem. I just want to sit back, hope and pray for a miracle to happen because I don't want to take any loan from any bank. Yeah.
Anyway, let's say I have 25 million naira sitting idle in my account. You can have it.
You have what? Oh, please. Stop that expensive joke. What kind of please that? You joke with everything.
Look, you married a millionaire, Mr. Felix. You don't know?
You're telling me you have 25 million naira in your account. That's a lie.
Yeah.
That's a big fat lie.
Well, I actually have more than that. But that's what I'm willing to spend.
What?
Yes. I was making money from my business.
You're telling me you have 25 million naira to spare, meaning you have more.
Look, Mr. Felix, don't underestimate me. Oh, I made money from my business, my keke business.
Hold up. That business? You made money from that business? Babe, please, I don't have strength for this jokes right now. Yeah? I don't. But if what you're telling me is true, then fine. I'll take a loan from you and I'll pay, I promise.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's fine. You have my account number.
Of course I do.
Everything will be fine, okay?
Yes, everything will be fine. I hope you're not pranking me, babe.
I'm not pranking you. You know what? I'll have them transfer the money to your account before the next one.
Is it possible? I'll just sit and wait. And in 1 hour, I swear to God, if I get that money, if I get 25 million right now from her, I'm starting keke business. Alright, you have to make the seafood available.
Okay, sir.
For the shrimps also.
Okay, sir.
Make sure I have plenty. Alright. Alright, go. Man, you will not believe this. Guess what? You will not believe this.
But exactly, I'm not good at that. But I also know it's a good one, so don't get.
This morning, my wife gave me 25 million to start a new business. Yeah. 25! 25 million. Oh yeah. You heard me right. Who would believe my wife had 25 million to spare? From where? From her little business, bro. My wife did miracles today. I've never seen that hand. Trust me.
Prove you're okay. Sure, for any man that is married to the kind of woman you live is a very lucky man.
You can see that again.
My own wife. She goes about begging her family food. Telling them how I wanted to sell her expensive jewelry to start up a business. Too bad. Too bad.
Too bad. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Yeah, selling all the jewelry to start up a business is a good thing.
The jewelry I bought with my own money, hard and money.
Exactly.
If you listen, I ran out of the house today. You need to hear what the elder sister was telling her. Bro, after hearing the conversation, I had to run out of my own house. What to do and what not to do in my house. Your wife is doing well.
Absolutely.
She deserves some accolades.
Absolutely.
It's a wonderful woman, I swear.
Yeah, thank you. Meanwhile, forget about these people. Let's talk about you. What are you going to have? We have lots in the house. We have
whatever you give me, I eat.
different kinds of soups. We have spaghetti, we have macaroni, we have everything. So,
Why is your face like this?
I'm tired of sitting at home and sleeping my life away.
It's alright, I understand. But you know I don't have that capital to start up something for you at the moment.
I know, that's why I need to get a job so we can both save together for business.
Mary, are you sure you don't have an ulterior motive? You just came to me and telling me now you want to start for a job. I don't understand.
What? I just said I need to get a job.
Mary, how many times did I call your name?
Fine. I'll just tell you the truth.
Fine, tell me.
I spoke to Nchedo about working in a restaurant. And she agreed to employ me.
Unacceptable. That's not going to work. I can't allow my own wife to work in a hotel.
A restaurant, not a hotel.
Be it hotel, restaurant, brothel, anything you want to call it. They offer the same hospitality. Oh, I know what you want, Abi. So all those small boys now will start tapping your bum for you.
I know myself.
I don't care. It's not going to work. Please, I don't want to talk about this anymore. I need to balance my madam business. Please, I don't need stress. What do I work now, girl? Serious.
what are friends for? What are friends?
How am I supposed to be fine? No, am I supposed to be fine when there is no food in this house? And you're asking me if I'm good.
But at least instead of complaining, you can...
Complaining? Is this what it is to you, Ndudi? Really? Complaining? I don't blame you.
Is this about being broke?
See, Ndudi, this is not the kind of life I want to live. Yes, this is not the kind of life I want to live at all. It just feels like I'm living in hell. Ha!
Me too. Seems like I'm living in hell too. Well, my friend's wife, Nchedo, gave him 25 million naira to start up an Uber service around town. We talked about it. You know, we deliberated on the plan and that's it. 25 million naira. It's a life-changing money, I swear. But you didn't hear what I said. I said my friend's wife gave him 25 million naira.
I'm not deaf. Okay? I heard you. So how is that my business? Go and ask your sister for money. You are the person that sent her abroad, right? She's owing you. So stop telling me that.
You didn't lie at all. You're saying the truth. So what about you? What about you? You're just here to ruin my life. Yes. She's doing well abroad. I sent her abroad. She's doing well. What are you doing?
Ndudi,
huh?
I am over this.
What kind of a woman are you? What kind of a woman are you?
What kind of a man are you? See, Ndudi, I know you're tired of me. So stop hiding your feelings. Say it. Say it and I will leave you. I'll leave you alone. After all, I'm even tired of you. Because this is like living in hell.
Sis, do you know that your stupid and useless husband has been calling me since yesterday, requesting to talk to you?
I hope you've blocked him. You need to block him so that he will not reach you. If you like, let him come from now till 10 years time. I will not pick. Stupid thing.
I don't want to block him all. I want him to continue calling until when he's tired, he will not stop calling.
Stupid thing. Why is he calling you? Sisi, you need to block him. If you don't block him, he will affect you. I'm telling you. Can you imagine? Our pastor and the wife, they've been calling my phone and disturbing my peace. That I should go back to my husband. That God is the creator of husband and marriage. That marriage is this. That marriage is that. Talking rubbish. Do you know that when that's my husband, that's Ndode. When he used to have money, when he was cashing out, when money day, Ndode used to donate plenty money for that church. Every day Ndode will pack all the money and go and give church. I'll be telling Ndode that time, pack all this money and give me.
So that you can save for him.
In water go, let me save for him. And buy jewelries, gold, plenty things. Okay, tell me, if I have used that money to buy all those things that time, by now, are we not going to rely on those things I bought? We are going to rely on those things I bought. But now what is happening? And they have the man to be telling me I should return. If not that they are woman of God and man of God, I would say may thunder strike them for that church.
You made the right decision. If they love him so much, they should give him some money to fix and to build his shattered life.
Exactly, my sister. Exactly. But no, they don't want to do it. They want me to go back to that house, but they were there. I was there drinking garri. Yes. Where we are there, all the time I was starving in that house. Drinking garri, eating eba with soured watery soup. Where we are there. They are church people. They can't help their church people. When their church people is in need. Now they want me to go back and suffer.
My dear sister, you made the right decision. Are you not enjoying now?
My sister, wait, then they carry so I don't understand. Who won't they suffer for this life? When soft life day, I don't come life suffer. I don't go try am.
You are enjoying none, I can see.
No, me chop fried rice finish. Ha! Rubbish.
Your sister got your back.
I trust you, my love. I trust you. Only Jiggy mad.
Sis.
Yes, my love.
You have to think of something to do for yourself. I suggest you do business.
Business, you know I don't like business. Sis, I don't like anything that will stress me. I don't like it. I want to live soft life. That is what I want. All those business is not my thing. But even if I want to start business, what business am I going to start? Which capital? Do I have money? And when I'm shishi?
Sis, you have jewelries, your bracelets, watch. You can sell them and raise a capital for your business. And if you want to use any jewelries, I can lend you my own. Nobody will know about it. It's a good idea.
How about it?
It's a good idea.
Oh.
Ludi,
Huh?
what are you doing here?
Oh, my in-law, I'm going to see her. You know, she's not been replying my text messages and she's not taking my calls. Huh? The worst part of it, she blocked me in all social media. I don't understand what is going on. When she was about leaving my house, she just said I should allow her go and clear off her head. But what's happening now? I don't understand.
Rookie is in the best position to answer you that. Unfortunately, she's not at home.
Okay, where did she go now? I can wait for her inside.
You agree with me that Rookie is not a baby?
I know,
right?
Now. Let me wait for her now. If she comes back, we talk.
I won't suggest that. She did not tell me when she's coming back. And besides, she might not even come back today.
Huh? No, what exactly are you trying to say? My wife now sleeps outside. Rookie sleeps outside.
Ndudi, I need to go and check what is on the fire.
Hey! Hey! Rookie! Oh. You do this one. Hey! Atagaso do guyaya ya. Atagaso do guyaya ya.
Honestly, Nchedo, you don't understand what I'm going through in that house. Dodi is not helping matters at all. How can a grown-up man not know how to sort himself out?
Don't talk like that, Rookie. Anyway, I don't want to go into all of that. It's your family issues. I actually called you here to plead with you to go back home to your husband.
Nchedo,
listen. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. He may be down today, but he may rise again tomorrow.
I don't know that.
I do. And today has the potential to rise again. He's my husband's friend, and I talk highly of his good business skill. Trust me, no one cares about you more than your husband.
You don't understand at all. I don't think I have a future with that man. I don't think so.
That man? Is that what he is now? Okay. You have to think this through. Think it through, my sister.
Nchedo, I appreciate your concern, but I've already made up my mind. Thank you anyway.
Wealth has no permanent place in this world. It blows like wind from east to west, north and south. You may have money today, tomorrow Ibaraka. It blows like.
So you're so jobless.
Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
What's the meaning of that? Who are you to ask me that question? Are you jobless now? You don't have a job? You sit here and wait for me all day. I don't understand.
Rocky, my question was, where are you coming from by this time of the night?
I am not deaf. I heard you properly, and you don't have the right whatsoever to ask me where I am coming from. So am I on your payroll?
This is you for real.
Excuse me.
This is the reason you left my house. So that you can be free to be frolicking around with men.
I don't have time to answer a demented fool like you.
So you're now a whore. You're now a harlot.
When you're done, you leave this place and stop shouting like a madman that you are.
Nobody knows it all. Nobody has it all. Nobody knows it all.
That serves him right. Stupid fool.
You can imagine, poverty is dealing with him. He has not seen anything. My darling, I finally made up my mind.
So how did it go?
It went well. I have finally made up my mind to go into this business, forest trading.
Wow.
You need to see my friend that is doing it. She's cashing out.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
So that's what I want to be doing now, so I can cash out. What do you think?
I know. That's a nice idea.
Of course. Let me go and change my coat.
Babe.
Hi sis, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. Guess who was the Uber guy that dropped me off today?
Nchedo, of course. That's exactly what he's good at. Poverty. Slavery.
How did you know?
Sis, you're joking with me. I have eyes everywhere. So I have people that are telling me what is happening in his life.
You still love him, right? And that's why you are asking people to tell you his whereabouts.
Sis, it's over between us. And that is it. I don't even want to go back to him. Whatever he's going through is the consequences of his bad decision. So he should be able to deal with it. Poverty. So you want me to go back to poverty? God forbid. Ha! Pico, I can't be party to that. That's by the way. Sissy, I have finally made up my mind. I think I should invest everything.
What? Have you asked people that knows this business before you?
Have you forgotten? I've been doing this business for a while now. And the way the market is looking right now, everything is looking very rosy. I need to invest now so I can make plenty money and start something.
I'm the worst person to seek advice from. I don't even know anything about the business. It's okay. What is it?
Anyway, how was your day?
Well, my day was great.
That's good. How was that Look at him. How was he looking? Is he still tall or short? Because I know by now he would have been brief. You know when you don't eat for long?
Why are you asking?
When hunger deal with you, you will just grow short.
You still love me.
You can't love poverty. God forbid me love poverty. Can never.
Yo, my man.
Hey, bro. You look like shit.
I know.
You look like shit.
I know. Don't rub it on my face. I know. I love my job. I swear to God, who made you and I love my job. Of course, I get to meet people, interact with them. And that's the fun.
You know I'm not going to let you do this for long. Of course, we had an agreement.
Fuck an agreement. Fuck an agreement. I love my job, bro. What are you saying?
My wife and I have decided to step up this business. And we want you in. Not as a staff, not as a driver, but as a partner. It's not for free. We need your expertise in management.
My G. Really?
Yeah.
So, tell me more about the business idea.
Right, we want to go all in. We want to have online presence and all of that. And we're offering you 20%.
What are you still saying? I'm in! I'm in already. Bring it on.
Bro, if this goes as planned, we're in for good business in this city.
Yes.
I don't know why I didn't think of this all this while. I don't know.
Bro, look. I'll work on the plan this weekend. And, try to see what I can come up with by Monday. Bro.
Just take your time, man. Take your time. Take your time.
Oh, this guy.
Meanwhile, I'm going for lunch. You mind coming?
If I want to come?
Yeah, for lunch.
I'm hungry. Let me shout it.
Yeah. This your driving business has turned into something else.
So what's up? Do you know who I saw today?
Holy Spirit.
Rose.
She saw you like this.
She saw you like this.
What is it? Talk to me. Why are you like this? Talk to me now.
Everything is gone.
Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean by everything is gone?
Rose, I have been duped.
What? How?
I don't know. It's that business I went to enter. That business. I met that girl. I met her in a platform online.
Hey!
This is not my fault. Online social media now, you can meet so many people there and converse with them, share ideas. She told me she's into forest trading. I asked her what is forest trading. She said it's very good, that if I invest my money, that I'm going to get all the money back. Look at me now, Nelumaya.
Hey!
I've sold everything. Just this jewelry that I'm wearing, that is all I have. I've sold everything. Now she's not taking my course.
Wait, I don't understand. With all this that has been going on in the country, you still trust someone online? Rookie, I'm so disappointed in you.
Hey,
everything is gone.
I'm finished. I'm only trying to end bad life. I don't like poverty. Moment, I don't like you. Don't come close to me. Oh, see what you've done to me. Oh.
I know you are not in a good mood. Can you talk? I'm thinking you should go back to your husband's house. Yes, you heard me. And besides, business has not been going well with me. I'm struggling so hard to fix it back again. So I cannot run the house all by myself. So I suggest you go back to your husband's house.
Wait. Are you asking me to leave your house? Where exactly do you want me to go to? Do I have a house?
Look, you have a husband. I am sure your husband is going to accept you back.
My husband accepts me back after how long? After how long? You think it's that easy? Rose, what are you saying? It was you. It was you that advised me to leave my husband. You advised me to leave my husband. And now, you're telling me to leave your house and go back to the same husband you advised me to leave. Hey! Oh, Chibo, one more. I shouldn't have listened to your advice. I should have just stayed in my husband's house. I would have just managed with my husband. I would have just managed.
Look, listen to me. Your husband is not married yet. I am sure he's going to accept you back. See, I can help you. I can beg your husband for you, or better still, you pass through Mr. and Mrs. Felix. I'm sure he will accept you back.
Don't advise me again. Madam Advisor, don't advise me again. You're the devil. You're the devil. Adele, how can you advise me wrongly? And now you're still advising me again. Please don't advise me again. Leave me. You want me to leave your house, okay? No problem.
This one is not the wrong advice.
No problem. Hey, I'm finished.
I told you, your husband will accept you back. Please, get prepared.
Hey! Let me call my husband. Let me call my husband. Let him forgive me.
Nobody knows it all. Nobody has it all. Nobody knows it all. Nobody has it all. Two heads are better than one. Two beautiful heads are better than one. God can bless anybody. It doesn't matter. God can bless any gender. It doesn't matter. God can bless anybody. It doesn't.
Hey, come back here.
Where is she?
You're not welcome here. Leave my house.
Where is she?
Get out of my house.
Where did you keep her?
Where
did you hide
her? I
her?
have no right to walk into my house and ask me questions.
Ndoge, where did you hide her? Where did you hide her? Where did you hide her? So you want her to take everything I worked hard for? Where did you hide her?
Walk.
I must hide her today.
Leave my house. You don't belong here anymore. Please leave.
I did not say her.
You didn't see the person you're looking for. Take a walk. Leave.
Hey.
Leave.
Leno, okay. Eh? Okay, because you're machine. Baby. Eh?
Don't touch me.
You know you're my life. Don't.
Please walk.
Baby, wait now. We can make this thing work. Hey, that somebody wants something that is better. It's not a bad thing now. Eh? It's not a bad thing.
Can you please leave my house? I'm done. We are done for good. Please leave my house.
Don't.
Go now.
My beans. I'm no beans now that is getting done because I'm baby.
We are done and done for good, and I have moved on for crying out loud. Please move on. Leave my house. Leave me alone.
Now that things are better, you want to move on. So where that place you're going, there is no road now. There is no road. Please now. I'm sorry, baby, because I didn't never let me here. Don't do this thing. I am finished. Hey, my own has finished. My own has finished though, that I want good thing, is it a bad thing? Somebody want better thing for herself, a bad thing, which kind of thing? I know I know where, I know where, but that's possible, nobody went for this life. Oh,
hey, my man. Hey, what's the meaning of this? Felix, what is this?
Listen, man. I'm not going to force you to do what you do not want to do. Alright?
Oh, okay. Can I go now?
No. Let's talk to him.
Nchedo, please help me beg my husband.
Hey.
Please help me beg him to forgive me. I want a second chance. Please. Please help me beg.
Listen, man, truly sorry I didn't tell you about this. But I hope you understand.
Why are you acting as if you don't know what I passed through? You don't know what I've been through. Why?
Look, the good thing is that you've learned your lesson. Your home is your home. There's nothing out there. Build your own.
I've heard you. I've learned my lessons. And I'm ready to correct everything. Please help me talk to my husband, begging for me. He's begging for me.
It's okay. Let's just hope my husband can talk to him. Because he was really broken. It took a toll on him today. Honestly. But let's hope for the best. Please sit. Stop kneeling. Sit.
I don't want to sit down. I want my husband.
Bro, I saw her. She really dealt with me. I cannot have anything to do with this girl. Again. Look, that girl in there is a Jezebel.
I know, bro, and I'm sure she has realized her mistakes. Huh?
Impossible. This is someone I've lived with. She can never change.
Listen, Ndudi, I'm sure she deserves to be listened to.
No.
Huh? No. Let's give her a try. No, come on, let's go inside. Trust me on this one. Let's go inside.
Please. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
Only on one condition. You'll tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Truth about what exactly?
Those times you left my house, was there another man? Did you go into any relationship with another man? Did you sleep with another man? Look, to tell me the truth. I know the reason I am asking for the truth. Tell me the truth.
I couldn't do it.
You couldn't do what? No, what exactly couldn't you do?
But I couldn't see myself sharing my body with another man. I could have done it if I wanted to. Day by day, I'm always very broken. Always regretting everything. I regret ever listening to my sister Rose. I shouldn't have listened to her. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I promise I want my husband back. I miss my husband. I miss my husband. I want my husband back. I am sorry for everything I ever did to you. I wronged you. I said so many harsh words to you. But I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Sorry. I'm so sorry, please. I'm ready to be that woman that you ever wanted to be. I am ready to support you. I'm ready to be your wife.
So obvious you learned the hard way.
Oh yes, she did.
But everyone deserves a second chance, you know?
Of course. We all deserve a second chance.
Nchedo, she's always on your mind. She's a on your feet. Nchedo, she's always on your mind. She's on your feet. Any available work, she go do she got the shame. Any available job, she go do which kind wife be this? She got the shame. She no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. So she dey hustle for her. She no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup. All the very supportive people go. She dey hustle for herself. Nchedo, she's